Ang galing.
Okay, 1 minute and 13.
Video mo.
Bagala Loras!
Apot?
56-60, apat ang kalamangan ng red. Okay, exactly 1 minute. Foul on number 24. 1 minute, ha? Cargo on the block. As they will shot clock 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Intercepted. Last 47 seconds. Bala Haja. Intercepted by Ismail. And a whistle foul. 42 seconds, 42.
Wala na makan.
Apat lang mo!
Hoy, ana yan. Ay, nang dahil ka na ako, ana kayo. Medyo mula ka, ano.
Okay, 42 seconds. Walang time out. Ang maroon may isang time out pa ang pula. 40 seconds. Guzman. Uy! Nakalisin si Marigay. 30 seconds. 26 seconds sa 26. And rebound again by the red team. Shot clock blows. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay na. Congratulations, Red Basketball.